Module 7, Lesson 13, Comparing Irrational Numbers. So what they're going to ask us to do in Lesson 13 is they're going to ask us to compare and tell which number is larger, which number is smaller. They're also going to have us put square root numbers on a number line. So we're going to get the decimal approximations to compare them. We're going to get the decimal approximations to put them on a number line. So in order to figure out the decimal approximation, we're going to put this in the calculator. If you recall, the cube root is under math. It is the fourth one. So the cube root of 100 is about 4.64. And then the square root of 20 is 4.47. So if they're asking us which number is larger, well, 4.6 is bigger than 4.4, so this is the larger number. For the second example, square root of 30 is 5.48 if we round it, and 36 over 7 is 5.14, which is smaller this time. Be careful because they go back and forth. One time they ask for larger, the next time they ask for smaller. Which is smaller, 5.1 is smaller than 5.4. So 36 over 7 is the smaller number. Now if we're going to put these numbers on a number line, we have to figure out the approximate decimal to each number. Square root of 4 is perfect square of 2. Square root of 5, if we put these in the calculator, is 2.23. Square root of 10 is 3.16, and we did the square root of 20 a while ago, 4.47. So if we're going to try and now put these in order on a number line, it looks like we need to go from 2 to maybe 5. So I'll start at 0 so we cover them all. Okay, we probably don't need the rest of these, but alright, so 2 would be right here. That's where we're going to put the location of the square root of 4. 2.23 would be just past it. 2.5 is in the middle, so 2.23 would be about here, and that's the square root of 5. 3.16 is just past the 3, and that is our square root of 10. And 4.47 is almost right in the middle of 4 and 5, and that's our square root of 20. So we can put them in order on the number line, we can put them on a number line, and then we can tell what order they are. The square root of 4 would be the smallest, square root of 5 would be next, square root of 10, and then square root of 20 would be the largest. Alright, so you might have to put some on a number line and compare them.